Hey guys, I know I haven't posted anything in a long time. I've been getting cars in, repairing, fixing, school, a lot of stuff. But I thought I'd just do this, guys, because it's December. I know I haven't done one since I don't even know when. But here I have I've never really worked with Kyosho, but one of my friends at my hobby store has one, and he loves it a lot. But as you can see, it's all in Chinese and stuff. But it has a plow that goes up and down. I have a RC four-wheel drive one for my Axial Rubicon XCX10. It's got a nice little cover, some treads. There's another picture. The other thing was I had to get a connector. I could solder my own on, but I just grabbed this. Just because. Flip it around. There it is. Ready, set. There's a controller. That's the back of it. That's the other side of it, and then just that on the front. And this one was $300 at my hobby store. So it depends on where you are. It may vary. But let me get out of the box. Let me get everything all pulled out nice and neat and everything to show you guys. Okay, so here it is out of the box. Don't mind, that's just a glare. But it is pretty nice. I like it. I've seen it before, so I know what it would look like. Again, my connector. This is the plow that goes up and down, which is really nice. The manual, antenna, some stickers, and also in here there is a bind plug and just some tools. Here is their controller. It's basic, just this. I think this is for the height or something, or the forward back skid steering. So got your trims, stuff like that. Nice little foldable, collapsible antenna tube there. And let's move that out of the way. So here's this. It has tread, very nice kind of open tread to be on top of the snow. Skid steering. It's got fake artificial lights up here, which I'm probably gonna pull out. Put some nice ones in there. Nice little smokestack. I'm gonna figure out stuff with this. You know, just some nice little detailed stuff. Here's the other side. Here's the back. Flat back. Here's the on-off switch right there. There's the bottom of it. And I believe, yep, they're just one pin here, one pin here, and we'll start off. So there's the body. That's what that looks like. And here is the inside of it. It's got this white connector, which I got the adapter for. On-off switch back here. Battery velcros in down here. This is a servo. Looks like that screws on. Your motors are under there. Kind of protects that from the stuff. I will be waterproofing most of this since it is winter. I'll probably be waterproofing the screws and the tread and the body and some of the parts and stuff like that. That's what I can see from what it will let me get at, unless I would have to pull that screw off. There is a mounting post, and yeah. So should be cool. I'm probably gonna be using it tomorrow. Kind of looking at it, working with it in my house tonight, and yeah. So there's that manual, my connector, all that kind of good stuff. There it is, guys. Kyosho-blizzard SR for you guys in red. See you guys later.